This is Valley News Live at 10.
The Minnesota Department of Health is loosening restrictions at long-term care facilities. The new guidelines will allow an essential caregiver back inside to visit with loved ones. Valley News Team's Courtney Lockie talked with those working and living in these facilities who say that this is a big step forward.
At first, it seems to be all right, but as time has gone on, I think people, myself, I'm tired of being in here.
Lillian Dahl has been at Serenity Assisted Living in Dilworth, Minnesota for nearly 2 years, but she says the last few months have felt like an eternity. The state closed long-term care facilities to visitors about 4 months ago.
A lot of people that have families that would love to come in and talk to them.
Recently, the health department has allowed window and outdoor visits with limitations. Now, even better news for families. On Friday, the health department released new guidelines, allowing a designated caregiver into the building. It can be a family member, a friend, or a volunteer, and there can be more than one person per family. But before these caregivers can go back inside, they'll have to be screened for symptoms and be wearing PPE. That means people like Dahl will be reunited with their loved ones.
And it's just important to have that, face-to-face interaction again, and I know they'll appreciate it. And so it is a big relief just knowing that their quality of life will be greatly improved.
The new guidance will help facilities battle the coronavirus crisis as well as the loneliness these residents are feeling. Friedrich says family members are already calling and asking how they can visit.
As much as we try to accommodate, and fill the gaps, we're not their family always. So it's just nice that they'll be returning.
They're still working on finalizing the new policy. Health officials say caregivers can be turned away if they don't follow the guidelines, and that they're prepared to pause the visitation in facilities where it may become a danger. In Minnesota, Courtney Lockie, Valley News Live.
The health department is asking providers to talk with residents to help designate a caregiver. Policies must be set in place no later than July 25th.